Good afternoon. This is Deke Fagundis with Interstate Roofing conducting a repair attempt on 3555 Rosewick Drive. We are on the front slope. First things first, I'm going to be talking about the tools I'll be using today. First, to release the fasteners, I'll be using a pry bar, as well as instead of a snake, I will be using a mag hatch. Now, this is the roofer's tool. Any roofer worth their weight in salt will be using a mag hatch. I know a lot of times you guys like to use, want us to use a snake, but we are the contractors, as well as we will cause more damage to the shingles below when we are hammering down on that snake. Now, we're gonna go ahead and get started, start releasing these fasteners and making this repair. I'm gonna hand this off to my helper. All right, I will not be lifting any of these shingles above a 45-degree angle during this entire repair. Go ahead and get started. Okay, well, continuing on, excuse me. Continuing on. It's like somebody nailed a little too high up on this. It's starting to sag. Now, if I double check all this, make sure I got absolutely everything, this shingle should just come straight out. Okay, we'll be putting that down there. All right. May I see the camera, please? Okay. So far, we've already started to see a bit of granule loss on two of these. I don't want to check them quite yet because we're still early in the repair, but technically this repair has already failed. But for the sake of science, we will continue. Hand me that shingle there? Yeah. All right. So we use that chalk line so that I can just put this right back where it belongs. Perfect. So now I'm going to start fastening this shingle back down. Alright, last three. Last four, really. Perfect. Now, wow. All right, let me see that back. Okay, so let's take a look. So you can see this repair has obviously failed. We have a crease here. When I lift this up, flaps in the wind like a sticky note. Now here, you can see obvious creasing. Pick this up, and then see this one, nothing. Now if I do this to a past shingle, it does not just go back down. It's got pliability to it. Now, when I do this, you can see just how pliable a new shingle is. Now, if you do this to this one, same thing, same thing. You go right here, it doesn't wobble. So that means the asphalt has been degraded on the inside. Now, I like to do this with every single one of my repairs just to show what the difference is in between a pliable shingle and an unpliable shingle. Now, if I were to raise this, you know what? Let's go past a 45-degree angle. Let's go at a 90. All right, drop it back down, wipe, 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 wipe. I mean, I can white knuckle this and nothing's gonna happen because this is a pliable shingle. Now, if I do this to all of the co-occurring shingles on the older roof to a 45, and then wipe, wipe, pass. Wipe, wipe, pass. Now, we already know this one failed. But go to a 45, drop down, wipe, wipe, as you can see. And right here, wipe, wipe, wipe. And this is on the border. I would say that the fiberglass matting underneath has been broken, but I'm not seeing obvious creases. I'll give this one a fail, but I'll leave this up to you guys. And here, obvious fail. Wipe, wipe, wipe. I mean, clear as day. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Pass. And finally, wipe, wipe, wipe. You can see that that fiberglass matting has been fractured, leaving these granules to just fly away. Okay, but, so overall, we have one crease, two creases, and 3 and 4. So as we were repairing one shingle, we had 4 shingles damaged as a result. So let's say we had 10 shingles that were damaged on this roof. If we repaired all 10, we would end up with 40 damaged shingles as a result of just repairing those 10. Guys, it is an absolute bad faith for me to repair this roof as the contractor. And I'm going to go ahead and tarp this up for the homeowner because this repair has failed. Thank you.